Good morning. 4:29. I left at 3 o'clock. We are just got over the Grapevine, just passing Dehone Pass, I believe it is, and we're well on our way. It is early, it's cold, and I am still tired. So I just got a little bit of gas. My phone mount broke, so I had to purchase another one, which wasn't cheap, but I'm sure it'll get us through the trip. But anyways, more to come, right? So I'll keep on checking in with you, and we'll see how this works out. Rest time. Pulled into a rest stop. We're about an hour out of Sacramento, so sun's up. It's a beautiful day, and starting to get a little fatigued. So I'm just going to sit around and just rest for a little bit, and then get back on it. So we're here in Elk Grove. We made it. So I'm gonna rest up and catch up with you guys a little bit later. So Clem from Sacramento Defensive Pistol Shooters was so nice to put me up for the night, or actually for the whole weekend. So they put together this bed. It's very, very comfortable, but they're amazing people. So they put me up for the weekend, like I said, and I'm exhausted. So I guess I'll get some sleep, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Morning. All right, let's do this. Morning, everybody. We are up and on our way to grab some lunch before we go to the range to set up. Everybody say hi. Hey, hello. We'll show you how to do that a little bit later. full on. That was actually pretty damn good. Oh, I'm full. We are at the range and ready to set up, so come on. So a lot goes in to setting up a match. The match directors of all the volunteers, they come in and they set up the stage for you guys before you come in and shoot. So the next time you guys see them, or one of them, go up to them and say thank you. Thank you very much for all the hard work you guys do. That goes a long ways.
So, yeah, that's how I would say. Already been engaged. Have you actually pushed back?
Morning. Match day. Today we're going to go shoot the match, and then I'm going to try to drive home. But a little tired. Miss the family. So I'll take you to the range. We'll start the morning ritual, and then we'll shoot. Okay, so we're at the range. I'm going to get situated, and we'll get straight to shooting. So April 2nd, the local match here in Sacramento, the Sacramento Defensive Pistol Shooters, is now in the books. I am done. It was a tough day. The match was amazing. I'm sure that more of this will be coming up next month at the Western. I hope you guys will stay tuned for that. But thank you very much for your company and your time. If you have any questions, just go ahead and leave them in the comments, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. But I'll leave you with a montage on my drive home, and we'll see what other trouble we can get into. We'll see you soon.